Well, this is a real school-dependent and student-dependent situation. So being aware ahead of time, you may not know about what students are going to bring to this curriculum or the events that happen in their lives, but certainly in terms of setting up to go into the Museum of Me and Edith Finch, it's going to be really important to know what are the resources available in your school. Go to the principal if you need to. Find out what's the list, where do we go, who are the people to contact with, what's the community resources. If you're a principal, this is an important part of your job, helping people know what the resources are and making those resources easily accessible to teachers, to counselors, and ultimately to students. And I want to talk about another way of disseminating this information. And one of the things we did in my high school, which was we had the students help us assemble the list of who to go to if you needed something. This was everything from if you needed a course changed, if you needed something special in the cafeteria for your diet, if you're worried about a parent, if you're worried about a friend or yourself in terms of drug or alcohol use, where did you go? And we had a list up that the students monitored, but they also made presentations at a school-wide meeting to say, here's the list, and I've gone to a few of these, or I know a friend who's gone to a few of these, and these are really helpful. And that normalized it and helped students feel empowered again about knowing how to take care of each other. And that's also an important part of their self-identity and their development as a member of the community.
Another thing for teachers to think about regarding this question is the kind of collegial structure that they are in. For example, are teachers in a team that shares the same set of students? If so, they need to let their team teachers know what's coming, that this unit is coming. Because students who leave their classroom go en masse to another teacher and may be cognitively tired, may be a little edgy, they may exhibit, they may demonstrate a few challenges. And so they need to have some awareness and some agreed upon options for taking pauses, taking breaks, allowing for extra journaling, that sort of thing. Another option is that teachers are in a school where they don't share the same set of students, of course. That's still quite common. And so in those schools, students are not moving as a group among teachers, and there's no teacher who has the same roster of students as any other teacher. That's a little more complicated, but the school nonetheless needs to establish a protocol and have teachers follow it so that teachers can inform colleagues when a more intense unit is coming up, because they still may have issues in the following periods.